Let's talk about something private. Nope, not like this. I mean Java private. The private access modifier in Java is used to indicate that the member can only be accessed from within the same class in which it's defined. When members have the private access modifier, this means they're not visible or accessible from other classes or other packages. So remember, it's only accessible from within the same class as the private member. So this code over here, where we create an instance and then access the field directly, is not possible from outside the class. We can access it from within the class though. As you can see happening on the slide here, we have a private int x and we can use it in the method that's in the same class. To access and modify the value of x from outside the my class while keeping x private, you'd have to add getters and setters that are accessible. So you could create two public methods, one for setting and one for getting the value of x, and this would make it possible to access x from outside the class. So these methods, setX and getX, they're used to set and get the value of x. We call these getters and setters. From another class, you would not be able to access the value of x directly, but you could do so using the getters and setters to get the value. At the bottom you can see how you would do that. You would create an instance of the object and then call the function setX to set the value and call the function getX to get the value. The private method is a class member that can only be called from within the same class. So this one, the print message that's private, can only be called from within the myClass class. From another method, you would not be able to call the print message directly, as it's marked private. But you could call it from another method in the myClass, as being done here. In the print hello, we have access to the print message, so we can call it. The private access modifier is the most restrictive access level in Java. It is used to protect the implementation details of a class from being accessed or modified from outside the class. This can actually help to prevent any unintended modifications, and it promotes encapsulation. It's important to note that the top-level classes and interfaces cannot be private. They would be of no use, since they could not be accessed from anywhere anyways, so we might as well not create them. Let's see for ourselves how private is working in IntelliJ in the next video.